Hi my darlings, welcome to the channel or welcome back to the channel. Welcome to my auntie's kitchen because I'm not the one cooking today. So guys, my beautiful auntie has decided to share her special snail recipe with us. So let's watch how she makes it and I'm gonna take you guys through what she's doing. So she placed her pan on the stove and added some oil, and when that heated up, she went ahead to add some crushed hot bonnet and some chopped red bell pepper. She allowed that to steam a little bit. She stir fried that for about a minute, and then she went ahead to add her snail. So guys, this snail has been seasoned, parboiled a little bit, seasoned with just salt and a little bit of blended pepper. As you can see, now she's trying to fully cook the snail. Okay, so she went ahead to add some roughly chopped onions to boost the flavor of the snail, and sorry, she went ahead to mix them together. So guys, this is looking so good. I'm not a snail lover, but the aroma that this was given in the kitchen makes me wanna dig in. Guys, she went ahead to season with a little bit of seasoning cube because the snail has already been seasoned. Okay, but now it's just to give it flavor and make the onions and the bell pepper to have its own flavor and for all the flavors to blend together, I believe. So she went ahead to steam that for a little while, for the whole flavors to unite together. So guys, I want to thank you all for tuning in today's video. If you're stopping by on my channel for the first time, my name is Ogechi, and in this channel we make delicious meals simple. So I'll allow you guys watch with the love and the laughter in the kitchen while we're making this yummy. And while I was inhaling the aroma of something I wasn't gonna eat. So guys, she also added lots of love. You can see how we are all cracking up in the kitchen. She also decided to add a little bit of green onions, Italian onions, to add some pop of colors to it. Hope you give this recipe a try. Bye guys, hope to see you in my next video.